It's good. But people are not, we don't trust the government to do exactly what they say they will do. So if you go and give the government $1 billion today, do you trust the government will use the whole $1 billion to do exactly what he has to do with? It's like some of them will pass somewhere. And that's why people are feeling that, well, then leave it. Let it be in the state it is. When it comes, we'll use it. Than to go and borrow for us to be paying huge interest rate later. That's the reason I get from a lot of us who are speaking against the Japa. Yeah.
Let's get into the next paper.
Well,
which one? Ghanaian Publisher.
Exactly. Right. There's a story here. It says, I stepped down as MP after breaking the fall at Ayaso West Wugon, Chief of Staff says.
Okay.
Is on page 7. It says the Chief of Staff, Akosua Frema Osei Pare, has disclosed the reason she opted out as Member of Parliament for Ayaso West Wugon constituency after serving 2 terms. Speaking in a yet-to-be-aired interview on Joy FM's personality profile on Thursday, Mrs. Osei Pare said she declined to contest again because she had broken the myth surrounding the inability of incumbent MPs in the constituency to go past the 4 terms, the first term.
Right.
I hope most MPs will do this. You set a target for yourself. When you go, when you say, okay, I want to show people that I can do this, immediately you do it. Just say, okay, I'm not going in again. Let other people also come. But, some of them will wait until they are disgraced at primaries. And that thing, I think a lot of them should take a cue from what the Chief of Staff did there. This one says NDC is the most useless, and useless is in quote, political party in Ghana, according to Kwasi Pratt. He explains that it is the most docile and ineffective political party in Ghana's history. He thinks he cannot understand why
he thinks the party is too soft.
Yes. Despite having a significant number of representatives in Parliament, has been resting on it all while giving the incumbent government a field day to inflict unbearable hardship on Ghanaians. So that's his reason of labeling the party as the most useless. That they are not doing enough to keep this government on its toes. But is it really true the NDC is a docile party and I think they are doing awesome. Just that under some circumstances, when you feel they have to really follow this through, then they give up. For example, the e-levy. Right. I am sure if they had not worked out on that day, the MPP could not have used their numbers in Parliament.
Miscalculation?
I think so. But in fact, they had really kept this government on its toes till that last moment.
Right.
Because they said, we want it at this point. They said, no, we are not giving it to you. Because
quick question, though. Which party do you feel is more vociferous in opposition, the MPP or the NDC?
Wow. I have to go back into time.
Maybe we'd have to reflect on that to find out whether Kwasi Pratt has a point or not.
Maybe.
Let's do Republic Press. Toll workers to picket over unpaid salaries and reassignments and provide innovative solutions to businesses, government policies.
Bishop, my fans will call retirement, but once a soldier, always a soldier, and you're a friend of Bishop. I used to Ebe Kasai. Now, Osha Papa Kasa or Bekayena. It was in response to the Montpellier that John Dramani Kokan said, or no, the Oba, e-levy, obey Eddie, a free, a hope, which ye name himself, or bois, or government be any Oba. Now, institution be a ma abiding sican, or because a way the ma abiding sican to me come free hope. Just ye started just. Initial implementation, Ghana is able to raise 1 million Ghana cedis a day. See, I know, and Okra Nipa Bebre, and your force education, NDC for about 2 foot conformity, do more. And within 2 to 3 months now, people will understand, say, NDC for Nabraba for the 2 foot and they will be open and friendly to AY11. You will see what Ghana is going to make and what Ghana is going to make out of what Ghana is going to make out of e-levy. And all we have to do as Ghanaians, yet the end say the government says he needs that money to build hospitals for us. We need the hospitals. We pay the money and hold the government accountable. That's it. We do not fight against it. I catch them say NDC as a political party. There be a back count. Things are more opposition. One was mama alternative governance do say NDC MPP sebi esremeka wan kasa se ye di nyansa e bobra baby akania ye dum kania for so many years. Any baby akania sisu for so many years. Him for now Obeka said eh huh? Enti papa ne de million no mo bedam emra no be ye adwuma na ye be chechi o mu nyina baako eye bre obia wadi yesika bia no obedam na ye be sre se de ye ka no uba na your first time near no wa follow page na my no asa subscribe to your YouTube channel no e de amaye because you say no campaign no na ya sha ase no omo pese omo ya fa kwan bia so tumfuturu ye be sabi ye be so omo hwe amu afo omo achi ne amia kopem sa aba no emu anwa nyina be chi magu frampa emu ne de ache omo kosua no enti uba no wa follow page na my na wa share no wa woso so ahu say aha fie TV o de ko enti me de megusu pe solution to why one becomes we so fukura work heaven at the moment or joining NDC now adane bonsam wo fa ase no obokro no aden political party baapo emu nipa nyina na every say free every sankra etimi betena ho ka kire Ghana ha Tommy, I think me know ya adwin 120%. You see, unya kwenya as a former president who is vying ono one omo de ne beba because medical akire mu say no NDC ne Mahama no omo go asisra pani anoma agro bi epeni yonko ho fanso ono one obeba kokasa asem na wo kan do you listen to yourself wo kasa brofo no magimi you see VW eba be bie assembly e wo Ghana because they have an ambassador Germany omo ambassador wo Ghana and before they move there they consult the ambassador say o man no say kosen and this on be bie factory bi wo ho na sa wo ya wadwen say wo kosai Ghana a kire wo mo they see you as a traitor they see you as a non me hu de menka ya na ma no no yemudu I want sem bi hu but asem no so sa na tie they are criminals I say nyina ye criminals enti mpanyifo se bone ba otrim na unyansa so wote enti na omunnim nyansa sa no because look say wo wahu oman bia ni nyina so ne mabunu no na mabunu no a omo ye educated enye mabunu kake mabunu omo ye educated oman panyi bi ba ye no wose da bi ye mo bia nko school se ne ye betena bofra ase kra ne akwa ye sua ade na ba ko sese da bi mo ma ye nya ne sa mo mun ko school mo mani beti ye ntimi nwia o mo na wa babunu